Last meeting, we discussed about the sum and difference of two terms, tsaka yung tinatawag nating square of a trinomial. Ngayon, pag-usapan naman natin ang cube of a binomial. So, kapag sinabi nating cube of a binomial, meron tayo ditong dalawang terms, then naka-cube siya. Ibig sabihin ng cube or meron siyang exponent na 3. So, cube of a binomial is in the form x plus y cube. So, yan yung form ng ating cube of a binomial, which means, ibig sabihin nito ay x plus y times x plus y, then multiply ulit sa x plus y. So, ito ang ibig sabihin ng equation natin na ganito. So, ngayon, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano siya isosolve using the long method, tsaka meron din tayong short method or yung mas madaling paraan ng pagsosolve ng equation na ito. Okay, so ngayon, proceed tayo sa long method. So, kapag ginamit natin ang long method, first is to use the FOIL method muna. I-times muna natin itong dalawang ito bago yung kanyang sagot ay ita-times natin dito sa isa pa. So, yun yung tinatawag nating long method. So, for example, we have here x plus y times x plus y. So, unahin muna natin yung dalawang equation natin bago kapag nakuha natin yung sagot, ita-times ulit natin sa isa pa. Okay, so kapag sinabi natin ito, pwede natin gamitin yung vertical method, horizontal method, or yung ating tinatawag na FOIL method. So, gamitin na lang natin yung ating FOIL method. So, FOIL method meaning first term, outer term, inner term, and the last term. So, first term muna tayo. So, times natin itong first term natin dalawa, which is x times x will give us x squared. The next is the outer term. So, x times y will give us positive x, y. Then, after that is yung ating inner term. Inner term, ito. So, we have plus x, y ulit. Then, the last term, which is the x times, or y times y will give us y squared. So, after that, i-combine like terms natin sila. So, ano ba yung parehas na term dyan? So, ito. So, we have now x squared. So, ito, meron tayo ditong constant na invisible 1. So, 1 plus 1 will give us 2. Then, just copy the x and y plus y squared. So, ito na yung nakuha natin dito sa ating dalawang equation na to. So, after that, i-multiply ulit natin siya sa x plus y. So, yun yung long method natin. So, ipunta muna natin dito, x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. Multiply daw natin ulit sa x plus y. Okay, so ang gagawin natin dito, distributive method. So, ito, x squared times x will give us x cubed. The next is x squared times y. Bibigyan niya tayo ng positive x squared y. Okay, then yung next naman na i-distribute natin ngayon ay yung ating 2xy. Okay. So, we have 2xy. Punta natin or distribute natin sa x will give us 2x squared y. The next is 2xy times y will give us 2xy squared. Then, after that, itong y squared naman ang ating i-distribute ngayon. So, burahin muna natin ito para hindi kayo malito. So, we have y squared, distribute natin sa x will give us positive x, y squared. The next, ito, distribute natin doon, magiging positive y cubed. So, after nyan, mag-combining the like terms ulit tayo. So, ano ba yung may parehas na terms dyan? So, ito, tama. So, ito, magkaparehas yan. Then, ito rin, magkaparehas. So, i-add lang natin sila. So, we have now x cubed plus we have, eto may invisible 1 tayo dito. So, magiging 3x squared y. Then, we have, eto may invisible 1 ulit. So, we have 3x y squared plus y cubed. So, eto na ngayon yung ating final answer. We have x cubed plus 3x squared y plus 3xy squared plus y cubed. So, yun yung ating tinatawag na long method. So, ngayon, ituturo ko naman sa inyo yung ating short method. Kung sa long method, kanina may nakuha tayong final answer na x cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube. So, titingnan natin na kung gagamitin ba natin itong short method na ituturo ko sa inyo ngayon ay magkakapareho sila sa ating nakuhang sagot kanina. So, let's start. So, first is to cube the first term. So, i-cube natin yung first term natin. So, sulat ko muna dito ha, yung ating first term ay x, yung ating second term ay y. So, para hindi kayo malito. So, ngayon, i-cube daw natin yung first term, which is x. The next ay, mag-a-add tayo dito ng 3. Then, after nun ay, i-square natin yung ating first term. Ano ba yung first term natin? We have x. So, i-square daw natin siya, then multiply sa y. Or yung ating second term. Then, after that, yung ating pangatlong equation or pangatlong term, ang gagawin naman daw natin ay i-add natin ulit sa 3 times yung ating first term, then yung square ng ating second term, which is y square. Then, the last one is to cube the second term. Ano ba yung second term natin? Meron tayo ditong y. So, i-cube lang daw natin siya. So, ito na yung ating step. Okay, ulitan natin. So, yung first step is to cube the first term. Then, i-add natin siya sa 3. Yung second step natin, i-add sa 3 times the square of the first term times the second term. Then, next, add 3 times the first term and the square of the second term. And the last step is to cube the second term. Okay, so ngayon, isi-simplify na natin. So, we have x cube plus, okay, so eto na. Ano ba yung x or ano ba yung square ng ating x? Okay, so we have x square pa rin siya kasi x times x will give us x square times y. So, x square y times 3, it will give us 3x square y. The next, we have x, or eto muna tayo sa may exponent. So, y times y will give us y square times x, or times x will give us xy squared times 3, it will give us positive 3xy squared. Then, the last one is to cube the last term. So, y cube will also give us y cube. So, titignan natin ngayon kung parehas ba yung nakuha nating sagots kanina. So, parehas sila dito sa first, which is x cube plus 3x square y, parehas. Then, plus 3xy square plus y cube. So, parehas lang yung nakuha nating sagot kanina dun sa ating long method, gamit ngayon yung ating short method. So, nasa sa inyo na yun kung ano yung mas madali kayo or mas gusto nyong gamitin na mas mapapadali kayo. Now, let's have another example. So, we have here x minus y cubes. Ang ibig sabihin ulit nito ay x minus y times x minus y times x minus y. Okay, so ito pwede nyo ulit gamitin dito yung long method na ginawa natin kanina na imumultiply muna natin yung dalawang equation, then yung kanilang product ay imumultiply natin sa isa pa. So, yun yun. So, ngayon gagamitin na lang natin yung short method. Okay, so yung short method natin, yung first step is to cube the first term. So, kunin muna natin yung first term natin. Yung ating first term ay x, yung ating second term ay negative y. Okay. So, ngayon, proceed na tayo sa step 1, which is to cube the first term. So, i-cube lang natin yung first term, which is x. The next ay to add 3 times yung ating first term, which is x na naka-square. Then, multiply daw natin sa second term, which is negative y. And the third step is to add 3 ulit times the first term, which is x, multiply to the second term or to the square of the second term, which is negative y. Then, i-square natin. Then, the last is to cube the last term. So, we have y, negative y cube. Okay, so after nyan, mag-simplify na tayo ngayon. So, we have x cube plus, ito na siya ngayon. So, we have here, square muna natin yung ating x, which give us x square times negative y, it will give us negative x square y. Then, times 3, it will give us negative 3x square y. Next, proceed naman tayo sa pangatlong step natin kanina dito sa equation natin. So, we have here 3 times x times negative y square. So, unahin muna natin yung negative y square natin. So, kapag pinag-multiply natin negative y times negative y, it will give us positive y square. Then, times x, it will give us xy squared times 3, it will give us 3xy squared. Then, after that, proceed na tayo sa last term, which is 2 cube the second term. So, negative y times negative y will give us positive y squared. Then, times negative y ulit kasi tatlong beses siyang ita-times sa sarili niya. It will give us negative y cube. So, we have negative y cube. So, ngayon, isimplify na natin para makuha na natin yung tamang mga sign niya. So, we have x cube. Ito, i-times lang natin. Positive times negative will give us negative 3x square y. Ito, positive 3xy square. Then, ito, i-times ulit natin. Positive times negative will give us negative y cube. So, yung ating final na sagot na dyan ay x cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square minus y cube. So, ganun lang siya kadali. Yun, let's have another example. So, we have here 2x minus 3 cube. Okay, so apply ulit natin yung ating mga steps sa ating short method. So, we first is to, kunin muna natin yung ating mga given. So, yung ating first term ay 2. Then, yung ating second term ay negative 3. So, after getting the given, proceed na tayo sa ating step 1, which is to cube the first term. Okay, so i-cube down natin yung first term natin. X pala yan. Okay, so i-cube down natin yung first term natin. We have 2x cube. The next is to add 3 times the first term, square of the first term, times yung ating second term, which is negative 3. Then after that, mag-add ulit tayo ng 3 times the first term, which is 2x, times the square of the second term. So, negative 3 square. Then, the last step is to cube the second term, which is the negative 3. Negative 3 cube. So, after nyan, simplify na natin. So, we have 2x cube will give us, ang ibig sabihin nito ay 2 times 2 times 2. Tatlong beses na 2. So, 2 times 2 will give us 4. 4 times 2 will give us 8. X cube plus, eto muna. So, i-square muna natin yung 2x. So, 2x times 2x will give us 4x square. 4x square times negative 3 will give us negative 12x square. Then, after nyan, ito, i-multiply natin sa x. It will give us negative 36x square. Okay, so pagkatapos yan, proceed tayo sa kabila. So, we have plus, ito muna, i-square muna natin yung my exponent, negative 3. Negative 3 times negative 3 will give us positive 9. 9 times 2 will give us, so kapag pinag-multiply natin itong dalawang ito, magkakaroon tayo ng 18x. Then 18x times 3 will give us 54x. Then the last one is to cube the second term, which is the negative 3. So, negative 3 times negative 3 will give us positive 9. Positive 9 times negative 3 ulit will give us negative 27. So, after nyan, i-multiply na lang natin yung kanilang sign para makuha na natin yung final na sagot. So, we have now 8x cubed. Then, multiply natin itong positive sa negative. It will give us negative 36x squared plus 54x. Then, multiply ulit natin, magiging negative 27. So, yung final na sagutan natin ay 8x cubed minus 36x squared plus 54x minus 27.